Hey guys, well here's my Home Light XL. It's brand new. Only has one cut on it. I know some of y'all are probably thinking, yeah right, that's not brand new. Well, y'all don't know the story on it. But I'll tell y'all the story on it. This is a Home Light XL Textron. As it says right there, the model number is 10517A. And well, the piston has no carbon buildup on it whatsoever. I've already removed the plug and checked that out. Nothing. That piston is like brand new, which it should be. My grandfather used, this only has one tank ran through it by my grandfather. The reason why he stopped using it and only used it one time was because after cutting firewood, it developed an oil leak. Right around where the clutch is in there. It developed an oil leak, he said. And back then, I guess my grandmother told me you needed the receipt to take it back and get it fixed. And all that. Because this chainsaw's, I think, either over 15 or 20 years old is what my grandmother said. But, it was only ran once. Cut wood once. Grandfather said it did pretty good on that one thing, and he just put it in the shop and let it sit. I already put some gas in it, put some seafoam in it, just a tad bit in the tank. Just because it's been sitting so long. I've already checked the compression. The compression on it is like amazing. But yeah, so figured, well, it's fired up. I'm pretty sure I'll start smoking like really bad. It's been sitting so long, and then it's got the seafoam in it. But alrighty. Hopefully y'all can see that. But here it is, set it on full choke. He said it was started up great the first time, so hopefully it stays. We have a fire. At least the magneto still works. Full choke. Hold on, let me give it some gas. Oops. Fire smoke immediately. Oh, hold on a second, guys. Set that right there. But it's alright. Let's see if this kill switch works. Well, I guess it's pretty good since it doesn't idle then. Yeah, there it is. All that smoke is probably from the seafoam. It's not a bad mix or anything, I guarantee you that. But yeah, there it is. That actually started up pretty good for sitting so long. Hey, maybe it'll last another 15 or 20 years. Hold on a second. Yeah, it wants to go, but guess I gotta hold the trigger. Why don't we do that one more time? Pretty cool, eh? I think so. Can't wait to use it to cut those stumps. Alright, thanks for watching my vids, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. I take it that seafoam's working pretty well. But alright, there's no carbon on the piston, so pretty neat. Alright, appreciate y'all watching the vids, guys. And as you can see, there's no motor on the weed eater. All my mowers are big wheeled. Big wheel Tecumseh, big wheel Briggs 5-horse, which is this one's twin. That's on 6 horsepower, but the same piston size. The new big weed eater big wheel. Sorry about that. With the 5-horse, just like that one, but newer. But yeah. So there it is, guys. And I'll show y'all that on there. Yep, new motor. Oh. Gonna get a new fuel line because this one has like a crack going through it, so don't want to use that. But there she is. Piston, crank. Trying to pull off that end piece right there. Right there, yep. Trying to pull that off. Not sure how to get it off. I've already took the hammer to it, but I don't know. Dad said we'll figure something out. But alright, guys. Take care. Thanks for watching my vids, and make some more vids later.